Today's event is a wonderful collaboration between the Research Innovation Office at University of Guelph and Innovation North from the Ivey School at Western University. It's really about creating cross-pollinations, bringing people together, creating new ways of doing things, making sure that things are more suitable for the future.
Innovation North is a community of researchers and organizations that co-create a new approach to innovation. Today, we convened different stakeholders of the agri-food space. They brainstormed around challenges and opportunities in the future of agri-food in Ontario.
It's about mobilizing knowledge, helping to create industry partnerships, really enhance excellence within our research enterprise, ultimately creating impact and amplifying it.
We have major systems problems in the world right now, whether they are to do with climate change, with biodiversity loss, with income inequality, and arguably with soil health. What we need to solve these big systems problems is collaboration, and we can only do that if we work together.
There was a lot of talk of curriculum, as well as providing producers with more decision support tools, but also providing producers with support all the way through. Lots of interesting opportunities for research to move forward and for programming.
Climate change is a real thing, and mitigating those challenges starts with soil health. Soil health has an amazing ability to store carbon, and improving on those soil conditions will help us in the long term. The integration of industry and collaborators in the space is one that's always been of interest to me, and I'm really happy to have met so many great individuals at this event.
One challenge that we've had, and actually this event really helps alleviate, is to make these great connections with the industry, whether it's with other professionals, with other businesses, with research colleges or research initiatives. It's really hard to do that because it's difficult to know where we can find these resources and the right people to reach out to.
I think we really confirmed the importance of just gathering different people with different perspectives, building that collective understanding of what the barriers are, what the challenges are around soil health.
Making the connection between what they're studying on the research level and what we're looking to implement at the farm level. I think we're bridging that gap, and we have an amazing opportunity to work together moving forward.